To find a supplier for your event, select Manage Events. Click on the event you need to find a supplier for. In the bottom right-hand corner, select the purple plus icon and choose Find Supplier for Event. Press on the drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Choose a category. You'll see a list of relevant suppliers for your chosen category. Click on the supplier you wish to view. In here, you'll be able to see the supplier's ratings, images, contact name, phone number, directions, website URL, and social links. You can also direct message a supplier by clicking the message button. I'm going to show you how to view website and social links. This is a supplier's website. I'll go back to the app and view the supplier's Facebook page. This can all be done inside the Elite Partyz app. We'll now go back and view the Instagram account of this supplier. You can also follow and view the full Instagram feed. To save a supplier to your favorites, select the heart. To access your favorite suppliers, click on the side menu and choose Favorite Suppliers.